Kita bosa science, kwano kwa beti science, dafu ya bosa science, truth na beta, truth na omega, truth na alpha science.
The Science Foundation College enamave ku Lwejjinja ng'oyingira kilomita emu. Ssomero lya Dene Boarding eri abawala n'abalenzi. Ku O-level tusomesa arts ne sciences ate A-level tusomesa sciences zokka. Omwana mulete ku The Science Foundation College. Ffe tusinga okusomesa sciences. Okumanya ebisingawo kuba ku 0753 8 27 09. The Science Foundation College, based on sciences and based for sciences.
Dr. Bosa is a teacher at the Science Foundation College, the best school that teaches sciences. At A-level, we teach sciences only. At O-level, we teach arts and sciences. Today, we are going to study soap and detergents. Soap is a sodium salt of long carboxylic acids or fatty acids. Saponification is the process of making soap. Soap is made by hydrolysis of vegetable oils, and the vegetable oils are esters of glycerol and long carboxylic acid such as stearic acid. So, equation for saponification: fat or oil reacts with sodium hydroxide to form glycerol and soap. These other groups may be the same or different. So, soap is a mixture of sodium salts of long carboxylic acids. The process of saponification, or the process of making soap: fat or vegetable oils are boiled with sodium hydroxide. Then a saturated solution of sodium chloride is added to precipitate soap. The solution is left to cool and soap is skimmed off. When potassium hydroxide is used instead of sodium hydroxide, soft soap is obtained. So soft soap is obtained when we use potassium hydroxide instead of sodium hydroxide in the saponification process. Glycerin, a byproduct of saponification, is used in pharmaceuticals and cosmetics as a humectant. Humectant is a compound that prevents loss of water or moisture from the product. Sources of vegetable oils. Vegetable oils can be obtained from sunflowers, simsim, castor oil, coconut, and ground nuts. Extraction of vegetable oils. Vegetable oils may be obtained from crushed dry rape seeds by either exertion of pressure or by solvent extraction. Solvent extraction of video tools in physical chemistry. The residues or byproducts of extraction of oil may be used as fuel, animal feeds, or fertilizers. Additives. Additives of soap. We can have perfumes. There are different perfumes you can add to soap depending on the customer's preference. Antiseptics, substances that kill germs, especially in bathing soaps. Coloring agents, people may need soaps of a different color, blue, green, yellow, and whatever. Bleaching agents, especially in washing soaps, laundry soaps. Especially laundry soaps, they may put bleaching agents to help whiten the clothes. An example, sodium perborate thickening agent. People want big things, so sometimes they add thickener so that somebody can get a big bar with the same quantity of soap as a small bar. And the other example is titanium dioxide. Sometimes we have got chelating agents. We know that hard soap contains calcium and magnesium salts. So chelating agents react with calcium and magnesium to form soluble compounds such that they don't complex with soap to form secum. So by playing with this, you can have a multitude of soaps on the market, such as Geisha. If you're in Uganda, you can have Geisha, you can have Johnson, you can have Carson's, and so on. Carson's soap. By playing with the perfumes, color, thickeners, and so on. So mechanism of soap. A soap molecule has a polar carboxylic group and non-polar alkyl groups. Alkyl group of 12 to 18 carbon atoms. When soap is dissolved in water, it is dispersed into spherical clusters called micelles. The non-polar ends band together in the center, while the polar end will project outwards. When soap is dissolved in water, it will disperse into spherical clusters called micelle. Micelle will look like this. The polar end will project out, non-polar end will band together inside a sphere. So during washing, the dirt will break off from the cloth and get dissolved into the center of the micelle and stabilized there. It will be possible to pick a water-insoluble dirt from the cloth and then stabilize it into the micelles. The micelles will not coalesce because they are negatively charged, so they repel each other. The micelles will be able to remain soluble in water because they are negatively charged and they repel each other. So during washing, water insoluble dirt such as grease, break off the cloth and dissolve in so during washing, that agitation of washing, the dirt will break off from the cloth and get stabilized within the micelle. That's the cleansing process of soap. Types of detergents. 1, ionic detergents, for example alkyl hydrogen sulfate. Preparation: the 12 to 18 carbon alcohols are converted to salts of alkyl sulfate. An alcohol is reacted with sulfuric acid, you get hydrogen alkyl sulfate, and when we neutralize, we get sodium alkyl sulfate. The polar end will be the sulfate group, and then the non-polar end will be the alkyl group. 2, sodium alkyl benzene is made by reacting alkyl chloride and benzene to get alkyl benzene. Then alkyl benzene is reacted with conc sulfuric acid, then sodium hydroxide to form sodium alkyl. Advantage of soap over detergents: soap is biodegradable. It's broken down by microorganisms. Disadvantage: soap forms secum with hard water. Hard water is water that contains calcium and magnesium ions, while detergents don't. Advantages of detergents: detergents don't form secum with hard water. Disadvantage of detergents: they are non-biodegradable. This can cause death of fish due to bleeding. Thank you very much. Your teacher has been Dr. Bosa Science, a teacher at the Science Foundation College, the best school that teaches sciences at O level and A level. At O level, we teach arts and sciences. At A level, we teach sciences only. Register today. Our phone is +256 753 802709 or +256 776 802709.
Nzenemye nzendeka redi enemye kandi rodi yanyiye dukandikadde sakaki alinemye ndikadde lindirira lulo kandi rodi yemukadde mayumba ge mapya buli kimu akyetaaga buli kamwaka manja buli kamwaka nkanda ekonomi yafa nali manyi maze okufuna wapya nali mbegomba abalina bato nali netaasa era nesunga okufuna omupya gwoyita omukadde kuzize kwenkuwa ezandimukozeeko kwate zonsaba zokola oziwaani nga kapita omulya lwenti asaba bukadde mazzi ga bukadde yakawa bukadde ekyo kankiveeko genda yewana z'omuwala omuto teekwa kunjagala teekwa kunsasula laga waweepanka
lwaki wakwana zatalina buti sikyalira
mbeera nesunga buli omu akyetaaga okufuna omupya tulifuna omutuufu ndibeera omutuufu mutuufu yaani kyagula amanyi
koye ebibozi byo
nze nemye nze ndeka ledi yenemye kandi lodi yanyiye duuka ndikadde sakaki kali neme ndikadde lindirira lulwo wololololo nze kampuni enemye wololololo omuwala nemye wololololo
mukwano
kazira waka mukyala afumbe omuyamala wololololo nze ndeka ono yamanyi ebinkwatako mukyala wawaka yamanyi bwe twajja yamanyi bwe ndi wano